guys, what's up? I'm coming to you guys fresh face because we're going to be doing a quick skincare routine. I'm going to be showing you guys my current skincare routine right now using my Fenty skin products. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Let's go. Okay, so first things first, you guys, for my skincare routine, water. I have to have water. Your skin is not going to be ish if you aren't drinking plenty of water. So I am drinking the Fiji water. This water is really, really good. So make sure you're drinking water on the daily. You guys know I drink a lot of coffee as well, but I always make sure to drink my water first before drinking my coffee in the morning. I like to get my good glass in before even having a cup of coffee. So water is first key. You need to be drinking water every day. Okay, so next, I'm gonna be taking my little vintage cosmetic headband. You guys know I love this thing. This is just to help get my hair out of the way. I use this when I do my makeup as well. Just helps to keep my hair out of the way so that way when I am doing my skin, getting there, my hair is not in the way. So next, Fenty Skin. You guys, I absolutely love the Fenty Skin products. I bought them I bought them last year actually. Last year in June around my birthday. And first of all, let me show you guys the box because this is the package that it came in. So the box looks like this. It's like a graffiti print inside the box. Of course, you have your receipts. And then it came packaged in this box. And I just took my moisturizer out of this box because a little secret, I have not been using the moisturizer. I've been using the other two products, the cleanser and the fat water, but today is gonna be like a little tester. It's like my first day using the moisturizer. So you guys get to kind of test that out with me today. The moisturizer, it did come in this box. I took it out of the box. But y'all kind of get to test that out with me today in my skincare routine. So I'm gonna see how I like the moisturizer. Step one is I go in with my Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. Y'all, this stuff a little goes a long way. It's my everyday. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. I absolutely love it. I use it mostly in the day, but it's just very, very soft on my skin, and I have to use this in the morning. Like, I have to use this like all the time. I just open it up. I do use my hands. I use my hands. So I'm just gonna take this, put that in my hand. I use about a pea size, a little bit bigger than a pea size. I use cold water. So I'm lathering it up, putting it on my hands. I use cold water on my face. That's just me. Lather it up. I do have a massage brush, but I don't know, it's just something so soothing about using my hands. But I do need to start using my massage brush because, you know, your hands can be dirty sometimes, so you don't always want to use your hands. But I want to show you guys realistically what I do. I do use my hands for my routine. I'm in there real good. My daughter is currently sleeping right now. I was like, you know what? Let me do this quick skincare routine because I was about to do my skincare routine anyways. I was like, she's sleeping. I might as well just film it. Like, why not? So I do underneath my neck as well. Get underneath my neck because I do put makeup on my neck sometimes too. So you want to get in there good. And this stuff lathers up really good, you guys. I absolutely loved it. Like, there's one thing I'm gonna buy from Rihanna, honey. It's gonna be them skincare products, okay? It's gonna be them skincare products. I am all about skincare, okay? Literally. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse this off. I just take a dry towel. Make sure it's a clean wash rag. I just take a clean, dry wash rag. Pat my face off. Pat it, pat it, pat. Pat your weavies. Pat, pat, pat your weavies. Pat your weavies. I see see me? Yes. Now that that's done, next we are going to go in with the Fenty Skin Fat Water. Now this is a 3-step process. I literally use the 3-step process, y'all, and it's good for me. It works for me. I absolutely love it. It's just a little family together. I don't have to worry about it. I love a simple skincare routine. I don't like seeing the skincare routines where it's just like overly too many products. So this 3-step process works perfectly for me. It's for me, okay? Rihanna understood the assignment. All right, so next I'm taking the fat water. It opens up like this. Super cute packaging, by the way. And this is just supposed to even out like your dark spots, even out your skin tone, and it's supposed to like help not to like strip your skin. Getting thirsty. Don't forget your water, ladies and gents. Don't forget your water. Oh, I'm just taking this. Literally a little goes a long way. So I just literally do a little bit. This is literally all you need. Like, you really don't need that much. I probably could have put a little bit more. And then I like to pat it into my skin. I like to pat. I pat it so that way I know it's soaking into my pores. Get under that neck, honey. Get under that neckety neck. Simple. So let that cool off for a second. Love this stuff. Here's my moisturizer. We are gonna try this out. So this is my first time trying out this moisturizer. I'm very excited about it. It does have a refill. So looks like this. It has like a little refill. It's the Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So it does have SPF in it, which I love. So yeah, you can refill it, you put it in, and then it opens and closes like this. Cool, right? So I'm just gonna boop. It doesn't look like it requires a lot of pumps. Let's see how we like this. Ooh. Okay. It's very velvety and it feels very good already. I definitely smell like a fragrance, just not too bad. It's not too overpowering. Definitely like a fragrance in it though, but it's not overpowering. Okay, you can definitely tell this has like a sunscreen in it because I can kind of see. You have to rub it in a little bit. Okay, definitely giving me a glow. Can y'all tell? Of course, I'm gonna have to keep using it to really like see what it does to my skin and see how I really feel about it. For it. Oh yeah, my skin is glowing. Like if I didn't want to wear makeup, if I didn't want to wear makeup, like I can just put this on and y'all, I'm literally glowing. I'm glowing. Okay, wow, this is wild. Rihanna, you did your thing with this, girl. I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. So yeah, smells really good, goes on smooth. And I really like this. I also forgot to mention in the inside of this, she literally reads you to filth. She says, use every single day, no excuses, exclamation point. Apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. So she not playing with y'all. She said no excuses. So I'm gonna be using this every day. I should have been had this out every day. I don't know where have I been at? Like why was that hiding in my box? I don't know. I don't know why I waited so long to use that. Okay, so last thing I do is I just use a little bit of Vaseline. This is like a knockoff brand Vaseline. I have to go buy a new Vaseline because I just ran out of mine. But I did find this one that my mom had. I applied some Vaseline to my lips. I freaking love Vaseline. So I'm just applying that to my lips. I do have a lip balm that I use. I'll link it below. I ran out of it and I gotta order some more, but I'll link it below. Y'all, it's so good. I use it throughout my entire pregnancy and after, for postpartum, after birth, during my labor and everything like that, and I just absolutely love it. So yeah, I'll link that down below so you guys can check it out. I need to go order some of that today. But yeah, y'all, that is it for my skincare routine. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle and beauty content. And also share this video with your friends. It definitely helps out my community a lot when you guys share my videos to other like-minded people who may enjoy this type of content as well. So share, share, share. I love to repost when you guys share or show that you're watching my videos. So definitely share and follow me over on TAKARAONEA on Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to go drink your waters, babies. And comment below, what skincare products are you guys currently using? Because I want to try some of your guys' products out. Even though I love the Fenty line, I feel like this is my established skincare routine. I definitely am open to trying out more skincare products. So yeah, definitely comment down below what skincare products are you currently using right now and are loving. I love you guys, and until the next video, I will see you at the top. Peace.